Alrighty. Today's action word is a little bit opposite of what we've been learning so far this week. Let's see. Master Azerbaijani word of the day for you has POZMAQ. POZMAQ. POZMAQ is to spoil, to break, to disrupt. There's another word is less for schoolers, erase, but more into that. Let's see. Phrases first. To spoil the mood, to break the rules, to disrupt the plan. Let's see. Əhvalı POZMAQ. Əhval, the mood. Əhvalı, the mood. Əhval is a mood. Əhvalı, the mood. To spoil the mood. To break the rules. Qayda, rule. Qaydalar, rules. Qaydaları, the rules. Plan. That's the plan. It's a loan word from Russian. That's why we call it plan. Plan is a plan. Planı da plan. POZMAQ. Now, sentences. Komandada ədaləti qorumaq üçün hamı eyni qaydalara əməl etməlidir. Çünki bir nəfərin qaydaları pozmaq qərarı bütün prosesin etibarını sarsıda bilər. Translation. To preserve fairness in the team, everyone must follow the same rules, because one person's decision to break the rules can undermine the credibility of the whole process. Komandada, in the team, komandada, in the team. Ədaləti, the fairness. Adalet also has a meaning, justice. Ədaləti, the fairness, basically, the justice. Qorumaq üçün, to preserve or to protect. Hamı, everyone. Eyni qaydalara, same rules. Qayda is a rule. Qaydalar, rules. Qaydalara, to the same rules, basically, you adhere. Əməl etməlidir, must follow or to adhere. Çünki, because, bir nəfərin, one person's, qaydaları pozmaq qərarı, decision to break the rules, bütün prosesin, the whole process, etibarını, credibility, reliability, you can call it, sarsıda bilər, can undermine. Good sentence. Another. Gecikən tədarük və xəbərsiz dəyişikliklər layihənin diqqətlə qurulmuş cədvəlini pozmaq potensialına malikdir. Buna görə də alternativ strategiyalar əvvəlcədən hazırlanmalıdır. Yeah, I bet you noticed some loanwords. That's in a translation. Delayed supplies and unannounced changes have the potential to disrupt the project's carefully built schedule. So alternative strategies should be prepared in advance. And when I say loanwords, I usually mean the loanwords that it's straightforward for most because they're coming from more like Indo-European languages. But then you will also see a lot of your own loanwords if, let's say, you are an Arab or Persian watching this video, because you will say, hey, it's our word, and you are right. It's normal process for all languages, especially for Azerbaijani. It's situated where Europe ends, Asia starts. So it's been a landmine to lots of wars, situations, processes due to its geopolitical situation, location. So it's completely normal to see if you belong to one of those ethnicities and you see your words. Let's continue. Gecikən tədarük supplies, gecikən delayed, və xəbərsiz, xəbər, notice, news, and xəbərsiz, no news, no notice, basically, unannounced, basically. Xəbərsiz dəyişikliklər, unannounced changes, layihənin, of the projects, diqqətlə qurulmuş cədvəli, projects carefully built schedule, layihənin diqqətlə qurulmuş cədvəli, project carefully built schedule, cədvəl, diqqətlə qurulmuş, carefully built, diqqət, care, attention, carefully built, diqqətlə qurulmuş. Pozmaq potensialına malikdir, have the potential to disrupt. Potensial, that's a potential loan word. Malikdir, has, is basically owns that potential, sort of. Buna görə də. So that is why. So alternatif, alternative, strategiyalar, strategies, əvvəlcədən, in advance, well ahead, hazırlanmalıdır, should be prepared, right? That was today's word, POZMAQ, or at school when you want to erase your mistake, you can feel free to say that. Səhvi pozmaq, səhv, mistake, POZMAQ, erase. Okay, yeah, fun news. Amazing how one tiny update can POZMAQ the entire roadmap before lunch. I guess by now you guessed why I'm using this dad joke uses. Sometimes, if let's say English is your first language, it's easy to incorporate the new words slowly, eventually. Hence, that serves this purpose. It's also, I try to keep those sentences light and fun, hence I call them dad jokes. But also, you just basically, you can say the same sentence that is easy for you to say, you just replace it one word in Azerbaijani. That's at least my idea. But I can help you more than that because I have built for you Master Azerbaijani app that's available in Google Store and App Store where you can just go ahead, download and use the module 1 completely free. And that will also give you the whole vocabulary there, and all of the other modules is also free for you. I'm working on continuing adding more audio for it because I'm a single person, one person meaning doing the whole project with some helpers. But those helpers cannot record the audio for me because I'm the only native person who can do that. So I'm working on that. And very soon you will see more modules added there as well. But there's also another way I can help you with masterazerbaijani.com, where I have been posting since 2025 November blogs every 10 days. And those blogs cover multiple topics. I'll give you tips and tricks on grammar, language, history, cultural aspects of things. So if you are interested, feel free to check this out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow here. Cheers.